If you're planning a cruise to the Greek islands and don't know where to start, this video is for you. Most 7-day Greek island cruises follow a route similar to this, so you know what to expect, what each stop offers, and how to make the most of your time exploring some of the most beautiful destinations in Europe. From whitewashed villages in crystal clear water to ancient history and unreal cliffside views, this trip is something special. Why the Greek islands? The Greek islands are one of the most iconic cruise destinations in the world. This is the kind of place that looks just as good in person as it does online. You've got white buildings, blue domes, deep blue water, and sunsets that don't even look real. But it's not just about the views. You're stepping into places that are thousands of years old, ancient temples, historic towns, and cultures that go way back. What makes this cruise special is the balance. It's not as overwhelming as major European cities, and it's not just beach destinations either. It sits perfectly in the middle. If you want something scenic, relaxing, and full of history, this is one of the best cruises you can take. What to pack for a Greek islands cruise? The Greek islands are warm, especially in the summer, and you'll be outside a lot when you do a trip like this. So lightweight clothes are key. Breathable fabric, sunglasses, sunscreen, and a hat will go a long way. Comfortable walking shoes are a must. A lot of these towns are built on hills, and you'll be walking on stone streets all day. Bring a small backpack for port days, a refillable water bottle, and definitely bring a camera. And yes, bring a swimsuit. Between beach clubs, island stops, and the ship, you're going to use it. Now let's get into day 1. Your journey starts in Athens, Greece. If you can, get here early. Visit the Acropolis, walk through Plaka, and grab a meal before heading to the ship. Athens is busy, but it's one of those cities you need to experience at least once. Once on board, get settled, explore the ship, and as you sail away, take a moment on the deck. Watching Greece fade into the distance is a pretty unreal way to start your trip off. Now day 2 brings you to Mykonos. The island is known for its white buildings, narrow streets, and beach vibe. You can spend the day walking through town, checking out the famous windmills, or heading to a beach club. It's easy to explore, relaxed, and just a fun place to be. This is one of those stops where you don't need a strict plan. Just walk around and enjoy it. Now day 3 takes you to Kusadasi, your gateway to Ephesus. This is one of the most impressive ancient sites in the world. You'll walk through massive ruins, see temples, and stand in places that date back thousands of years. It's very different from the island stops, which actually makes it one of the most interesting days on the trip. If you like history, this is a highlight. Now day 4 brings you to Santorini. This is the day everyone looks forward to. Santorini is easily one of the most iconic destinations in the entire world. You'll tender into port, then head up to the top of the island either by cable car or stairs. From there, you've got 2 main options, explore Fira or head to Ia. Both offer insane views, white buildings, and those famous blue domes. Take your time here, find a spot, grab a drink, and just enjoy it. This is one of those places you don't want to rush. Now day 5 takes you to Rhodes. This island has a completely different feel. You've got a medieval old town, stone streets, and a lot of history. Walking through Rhodes feels like stepping back in time. It's very easy to explore on foot, and it's a nice change from cliffside scenery of Santorini. Now after a few busy days, you get a sea day. This is your time to relax. Sleep in, grab breakfast with ocean views, spend time by the pool, and just enjoy the ship today. Sea days are important because they give you a chance to reset before the final stop. Now on your final day, you return to Athens. If possible, don't rush straight to the airport, grab one last meal, walk around the city, and take it all in. After a week of island views and history, it's a smooth way to end your trip. Now here's a quick cruise line breakdown. Most major cruise lines run Greek island itineraries. Royal Caribbean and Norwegian offer larger ships with more entertainment and activities. Celebrity and Princess focus more on the destination with a slightly more relaxed feel. The itinerary is what matters most. The ship just changes the experience. A Greek islands cruise is one of the most visually stunning trips you can take in your entire lifetime. It's the perfect mix of relaxation, scenery, and history without feeling overwhelming. Every stop feels different, every day looks unreal, and it's one of those trips that actually will live up to the hype. If you're thinking about cruising Europe, this is one of the best places to start. If you guys have any questions on this itinerary, let us know in the comments. We hope you guys enjoyed this travel video, and we'll see you in the next Barjack's travel video.